Hi everybody, welcome back to the ranch. Thought you'd bring you along today while I fix this sickle mower. So this is our double action sickle mower we picked up from an auction, and just want to show you kind of what we do. These are widely available and pretty cheap, and they cut hay really well. They usually just need a sharpen. So angle grinder with a flat disc on it, and you just take the edge off. You want just take the edge back till where you see the serrations and to where it cuts the, to where it'll still cut into the glove. That's just about good enough. That's the side that wasn't finished. And on the bottom, it's got serrations so you can kind of see when you need to replace your teeth. Enjoy the rest of your day, everyone. Have a good day.